people, so welcome back to our channel. It's what Thursday morning. We're there here. See, my husband sick with the flu, and guess what, people? He still make breakfast, you know. He make breakfast with everybody. Lord, he make me feel bad as a wife right now. But he always have make breakfast, and he make breakfast. Let me show you now. Look on the nice breakfast. You see that? That's my one. Brown bread. That's theme one. And tea. And he make tea for the kids. Yeah, man. Alright, guys. We're about to eat right now. You see? Breakfast looking nice. We're about to eat.
Yeah, so we're about to eat up right now, you know?
Yeah, so
Eat up a breakfast. Right now we're not 200, but so you go sometime, you know?
he always make breakfast on people every morning. I'm gonna tell every morning. So this morning I don't think I really feel up to it, you know? But you still make breakfast. You soon get some.
Well, we last couple of days on the field, so we're in there. Have a flu. Feel terrible. This morning I feel too bad, you know? So, we said we come out and make breakfast same way. Although I do it every other morning, even when I'm sick. So, we'll come out and do it this morning.
Come on. You know, sometimes when man get married, or even woman, certain things that them used to do, them stop do it. You know, when them, if them used to make breakfast and make breakfast in bed and all of them something there before they get married or whatever the case is. But when them something there, they get married now, they might say, oh, why woman supposed to do it. Because tradition say that the woman supposed to do certain things, you know. So, so man say like that, then stop do certain things, but you know, not my husband. He always make breakfast and food, and him also ever since you know him always I worry about what me I go eat.
Well, sometimes I don't really like the kitchen, but you have to do what I have to do sometimes.
You could have fooled me to me. Come here, you love in the kitchen secretly.
Really? And only why I feel free in the kitchen.
Look at you. Sometimes I say things, alright, where you feel for to eat? Me look about it. Him say, boy, later you don't know when you feel for it. Then you just get up, go in the kitchen and start look about something. So in my head, I say, oh, you must get to love the kitchen, man. Probably, you know, you have some people with them just have a passion for certain things. That's what I say, like, him loving the kitchen.
No, not really. I really like in the kitchen like that.
Oh, come to always end up going to the kitchen. And even if me myself, okay, where you feel for, where you that eat? So we can think early, so we can prepare it and so forth. And you always I say, why you not know yet?
Because most time when you ask my mom, we get full, so I don't know. And then when we're hungry, I know say I take longer to cook. Yes, so.
I think that's the problem.
Yeah, when she go in the kitchen, oh my. When we think food done cooking, it even started.
Because listen people. Alright, this is the difference with the two of you. You see my husband can in the kitchen and look at cooking and the whole of the countertop use up. Me and then me there behind him I try to clean up because I don't like the kitchen like that. So when me in the kitchen I cook now, it's like me I do 1,000,001 thing at once. So it's like so it take longer for me to cook, but him a focus on cooking and that's it. Not me. Me a wipe floor. Me a cook. Me a come down. Me have to stop and go deal with the baby.
Yeah, most time I like cleaning and so I do that after I done cook. I don't cook and clean same time.
And it's not up to my standard sometimes.
After I finish cook them, I wash up the things and I use the plate, like you pot them and clean up. But
yeah, I wipe it forward, don't
but when I cook, I fast, man.
So I think like that one I think too. When you think about how long I stay in the kitchen, Because me will even come out and say me go make breakfast, you know. And he come in and say, oh, why you look bored? I no breakfast, so me find everything else in the kitchen for them. I no breakfast no start. So I think that's the problem. You know, I'm just in and out and Speedy Gonzales.
No play with the cooking, man. Cook fast, you know?
Dog and egg. So we eat some fried egg with hot dog, some fried plantain,
and bread.
And bread. You know, and butter for my one. Bread and butter.
Well, you can see my mouth when me eat, me not take time I eat, me eat fast. So if you know you visit my mouth full and anything there, you know? So me eat.
I eat slow. I can start eat. I start eat before him come and done eat and even how much minutes later I still eat.
Yeah, me eat quick, man.
Yeah, man, so all I know, guys out there, nothing wrong if you don't cook, you know. Once you feel up to it, you know, we're not force nothing in another relationship, but it's all about you have to know what work for you. We know what work for we, you know. But some man, you might say, oh, I'm not cooking now. Even if both male and both the man and the woman go out and work, the man still have the expectation, say, yes, the woman have to cook it, woman have to wash it, woman have to do all this. I mean, we don't really assign a role, you know. Whoever see something for doing at the moment, just do it, you know.
You know, then sometimes the man them like, say for example, they come home and no dinner, no cooking, they want the most way. Like,
they never put up on table.
They all them those things they done with.
Well, it's supposed to done it, but you know, unfortunately, not done it. You know, we have
number one, they don't know why you man don't.
Exactly.
Maybe she have get busy with something or something. She wouldn't just not cook like that and just be spite. It's not something.
Yeah.
Some woman might do it, yes. I'm not saying not out there like that. But
yeah. Some woman will do it, yeah. So what I mean, you are gonna know a person who you be with. You know, say if I spite, she really a spite, and that means there's something in the relationship not good anyways. But you have some man like straight outright. Them things say the woman they home. Like I've been home for a couple of years now after we have, you know, the two little one them. I have some man they will say, oh, the woman they home all day, you know, so it's like she know they woman do not, and then they really don't understand the gravity to like what it takes to be home with two little ones. Sometimes you don't even get time to eat yourself, and some men don't understand that, you know. So it's like they come with this expectation, yeah man, me out there so you have to have this prepared. I don't know say every day it's gonna happen, but if one day it not happen, then I come and ask you what why it not happen, you know. They might come and say, oh, why you not cook or so, so they don't know what, you know. They're not asking in a sense like you want them to tell you, they might ask you because they want their food. But no, my husband come home and say, oh, you eat for a day? That's why I come home and ask me, you know, where you eat for a day. That's when I first think, not even worry about food, but him ask me when me eat for a day. I know, so by the time I be there here and I do everything else and don't get a chance to eat. So that I first think, if me not eat him, I say, you know, so you can't day for a day and not eat and all of them. Something there, you know? Excuse me. Yeah, so.
They think they exist in me, especially sometimes, would I say especially island man. Some of them have this mentality stuck in their head, say, oh, them not cook, them not do this, them not do that. Like who one's supposed to do it. No, them something they done with, man. If you have a chance to do it, you do it. If a woman have a chance to do it, she do it.
Yeah.
You're not entitled to one person to do it. You know?
Yeah. I mean, and it's like me hate to see it even more so when the man and the woman work. The man and the woman work, but at the same time, the man will say, but you know, say your job to do this. They want the woman to say your job to go provide. Why me I work then, you know? But you have some man stay so the man and the woman work, and the man come home and sit down, and the woman have to come home come cook.
So Everybody, some man was different, but they just have this expectation all the while, say a woman to do certain things, you know.
I know, and I think our society. Deeply. Society.
Them things they don't with their no man. Modern days now. Even back in the days, them time when they used to have,
Yeah.
say most time the woman them used to their home anyways.
Yeah.
But now if it's like the man and the woman are work and the man still expect you man to do double. And him no we do nothing, you know.
Yeah. Vex, you know. But you remember back in the day when we used to hear stories of, oh, bless you. Nobody can eat until until the husband come home and eat.
Yeah, kids them nobody can go. She hide my first, I'm have to get the first fish your food out of the pot.
The poor people dead be hungry, people them.
Yeah.
I don't know something they couldn't work in them. Yeah.
Yeah, different nowadays.
Especially with so many different type of work. With so many different type of work out there, you know. So every more late hour, I expect that if people must know about eat, wait till there's something to eat. And this is they can't work. And so Jamaica was saying say everyone then take a bush.
Yeah. Everybody different.
Because everybody know what they will put up with, because some women fine with it, they really don't have a problem with it, you know. And I think some women too have that mindset that yeah, and them supposed to provide dinner all the time, you know. And them so some women have the mindset that we are just man. Stop. So, but yeah, I like what we want to share with you this morning, you know.
Yeah, just a little small talk while we eat breakfast. Nothing big.
Yeah, man.
So, we don't eat, you know. I drink my tea. So,
Still I eat.
Mommy, I want.
think we can cut off the video right there, so now.
Okay.
And we call it a day for today, you know.
How is that deal?
Yeah. So, not too, what I say, don't feel too well right now, people. The video go in right now. So, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright? Check out the other videos them on the channel. Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.